Suit yourself.
Suit yourself. I'm gonna go.
Suit yourself.
Shall we? Suit yourself.
I don't know.
Suit yourself.
No, I swear I don't know.
Fancy bold suite?
Nah.
Suit yourself.
You're too big, you fat fuck!
Rope may not hold you. Suit yourself.
This is not the game. This is only drinking.
Suit yourself.
Coming?
No, thanks. I'd rather watch from down here.
Suit yourself.
Why don't you come and have a sit this time?
Maybe I'll stand.
Well, suit yourself.
Will you be doing yourself?
No, I don't think so.
You needn't bother with me then.
Suit yourself.
We're going to take some tea.
So?
So, I suppose as we're meant to be doing everything together.
I'll stay where I am, thank you.
Suit yourself.
Get out of my home.
Well, suit yourself. We'll let the courts handle it.
Get out of my home.
Smells like heartbreak to me.
Well, I really don't want to discuss it with you. Would you just install my cable, please? I'm gonna get dressed.
Suit yourself.
Follow me.
Not going anywhere with you.
Suit yourself. But I can get you through those walls.
Hey, come. What's the matter with you? Hey, come on, girl. All right, suit yourself.
Why would I want to get down?
Well, because Medicare doesn't cover old ladies falling off of giant bees. Get down.
Suit yourself. But make sure you're wearing swimming trunks when this place becomes the Pacific Ocean.